This year, thousands of engineering students will graduate with technical knowledge. But when it comes to solving real-world problems, many of them realize that knowledge alone isn't enough.
I'm Rakshita, coming from an engineering background. There's always a myth behind engineering that the graduating students know about the technologies, the recent technologies, or the curriculum is already inculcated about they are now developers and all. But at the beginning of my statement, it's just a myth. As going on, when my training and placement has started, I have noticed many loopholes, many backdoors and all.
For most students, the classroom teaches what to learn, but not how to build. Meet a team of third-year computer science students from CMR College of Engineering and Technology, who stepped beyond the classroom to build something real.
Overcoming this, I have joined Zeni Quantum projects where I have learned not the prototype but a real-time projects, how it worked, how well it has been. It was really definitely completely different experience from my college mini projects and major projects. I have learned many things, many technologies, how to implement, and it was a great experience. Every student should and must approach ZenCube to not only for training and placement but also an experience about the projects or how projects or the implementation or how real time it will work.
Through ZenCube, they didn't just learn, they built a solution to solve it.
1 month we was working with a project called CertShield. Throughout the journey we learned how to build a project. It's a full stack. We have used technologies like Python and Fast API. There were classes for us to complete the project. So we have interacted with our domain expert and we have gained hands-on experience with how to build a project. Since it is very different from our classes. They would just explain about the what are the modules used and the libraries. Here we built from the scratch, we built from the backend, frontend and everything. We have worked with the APIs and we have built a final project like CertShield.
I'm performing a project called CertShield, and it was great experience working with the team.
This was great collaborating with Zeni Quantum Private Limited, and this collaboration is not only a professional experience but also it enriches my skills and it gives real industry exposure by solving real-time problems.
They built CertShield, a tamper-proof digital certificate verification system using cryptography.
Before this project, we didn't know the technologies like MongoDB, React, Vite and also Docker, these kind of technologies in Fast API, and these kind of technologies are not mentioned in our curriculum. But after this project, we have to know that these make work easy and simpler. So these helped us in recruiting and hiring of the industries.
Every certificate is digitally signed, one scan, and authenticity is verified in milliseconds. From learning concepts to building production-ready systems, this journey transformed them into industry-ready engineers.
One of the most interesting thing in our project was the portal, ZenCube portal. ZenCube is a website where we create our project and we upload our project step by step, and it helps us hands-on experience. Actually, the portal consists of many things that is balanced. First, coming to the user stories. Here it describes about the task, to-do list, what to complete and how to complete, and when it is completed, like the acceptance criteria. And sprints is nothing but it is group of user stories. It is like we have a deadline to complete sprints. And in ZenCube portal we have Scrum board where we have the to-do list and when to complete and how to complete and all. And we have the chat box named as forum. Here we discussed our project, and there is a calendar which reminds us the timeline and deadline for our project, and it's totally Good. It looks like working on a real project in a company.
Real-world product, a complete system, and a skill set that goes beyond the classroom. This is what happens when students don't just learn, but build.
I appreciate their deadlines and the innovative approaches they give, and I am glad working with Zeni Quantum.
In ZenCube platform, I have learned many things, and the domain expert was really good. In every stand-up meetings, our domain expert comes with new ideas and new things. I have learned many things in stand-up meetings. We tackle many industrial problems and we solve it. I really thank ZenCube platform.
I'm really grateful for having this company over here.
This is ZenCube, forging potential into industry-ready talent.